njia kusema karibuni kwa Bwana County.
First, Bwana Mwai and the people living along the river.
Asante sana. Ninakwenda na majia.
Rasmi kuna
Principal Secretary Dr. Desai, all our county staff, both
this high season of the Mara, regardless of the COVID-19 challenges, we are pleased to have very many local tourists, and we appeal to Kenyans to come and experience the rare beauty of the Mara. We have put in place all the necessary precautionary measures guided by the World Health Organization protocol, and so we assure everyone of their safety.
With the increase in population and the attendant demand for resources to sustain livelihoods, our priority should be focused on efficiency and resource utilization and ensuring a clear linkage in the entire value chain while encouraging a shift to non-consumptive and more environmentally friendly and sustainable activities such as beekeeping.
Let us have that commitment and let us separate between politics and environment.
This is the only river basin in the world that two countries have signed an MOU to manage a resource, and this is something that we wish should be replicated elsewhere.
Tangu conservation efforts ziwe stepped up, ule Mau ndio maji yameonekana mengi katika mto huu vile yanavyoonekana saa hii.